How to make the perfect classic chicken 65 at home. Let's get to know the recipe of crispy outside and soft inside chicken 65. To the chicken add 3 tablespoons of chili powder, 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon turmeric powder, a pinch of red food color, 4 tablespoon corn flour, 2 tablespoon rice flour, a little water and 3 tablespoons of curd. Mix it all together and marinate for 2 hours. Two hours later deep fry them over oil. So, here you made the crunchy chicken 65 at home. Stay tuned and keep following Cooking Campus CC for more appetizing recipes.